absolutely.
Yeah, why not, man? It didn't cost me nothing. It's just my time. So.
Right.
But yeah, that garage door's working out pretty good. Everything goes. Look, that's all that shit from underneath.
You got the you got the photo book in this car somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
You need to dig that out. Let me look at that. What'd you get for this when you first bought it? What'd you get for it?
I traded my nephew that Corvair.
Okay, and what'd you have in the Corvair? What'd you say? What?
I had
a couple hundred.
Oh no, I had way more than that.
Did you? Well, that's way back though, when money was worth something.
Yeah, I had a lot. Only reason I did it because he wanted that. I wanted this car and he wanted that. He wanted it, and so.
Well, yeah. It's a good deal.
That was only because my nephew. I would never have done that to nobody else. No, I
It's a good deal.
Car, man. This was total nothing junk. So
I know.
It wasn't worth anything. That Corvair was worth more than that with everything worth. Because it was 65. Of course, I'm not.
Oh man, we just watched a kid leave. Oh yeah. Well, it's kind of
blurred out, yeah.
Oh man, that was messed up, wasn't it?
It had been sitting in the woods for quite a while.
Yeah.
But the frame was all bent, everything was bent.
Right.
That was nice.
Yeah, let me get it where it ain't got the
they beat the roof
glare.
In. Yeah, they beat the roof in and everything. There's the interior.
Oh damn, that's his car.
Yeah.
It's a lot different now, isn't it?
There's the front end of it, a little meshed up there.
Yeah.
A little crooked there, about a foot different on that side of it.
Right. It's a lot different now, isn't it?
Had a Chevy. They had a Chevy. They robbed the transmission out of it.
Did they?
4-speed in it. They robbed.
Man, look at all that.
They robbed that stuff. Yeah. They took quite a beat.
Did you drive it home? No, I'm playing.
No, that side looked good.
Oh man, look at that door. How low the drop is on that door, man.
Yeah, because it pulled the whole right. It pushed the whole frame door frame on it.
Now you got a Tempest frame and put under it? Same frame.
I think it was a Le Mans frame.
Le Mans?
Yeah, I think it was a Le Mans. I don't know. They said Tempest, so I don't know either one. Tempest.
It don't matter. It's the same thing. All a GTO is a super, or what do they call it? A enhanced.
But I took
Tempest.
everything off of that, the old frame,
right?
and put it on this frame.
So now
I put the rear. I put the 12 volt that was on this. I put everything on. I took the support, the GTO support bars, you know, the back end.
Right.
Keep the spring from curling up under torque.
Right.
It's got a bar that goes in, connects the two points together, you know, like I did on the door.
Right.
Keeps them from twisting the
Wait,
frame.
you didn't do it like you did on the door, did you?
No,
you didn't put in pieces of aluminum screen door?
No, it links the two, the upper and lower arms.
I'm just playing.
Keeps the frame from twisting in it.
Right.
Twisting the frame.
It's nice.
Keep that.
It's a nice car, man.
Then I had to take the bracket off the clutch for the torque. I forgot to put the bracket on there. Took the steering box and all the most suspension, you know, about half the suspension. I still got the A-arms and stuff are off of this frame, the upper A-arms. I think the lower. I don't remember.
It's a nice car. You did a lot of work. It looks real good, man. You did a lot of work.
All the things you get. But this is the radiator that was in the car when it got hit.
You're kidding. And it's still in good shape.
Well, I saw it.
Oh, I see.
It soldered. It broke it loose up here at the tank a little bit. From the flux of the wreck. Can you imagine how hard that?
Right.
How hard that impact was.
Yeah. To knock the top
but
off.
But it cracked the block with the engine. It hit so hard it cracked the block.
It what?
It hit so hard that the engine in it was cracked.
No kidding.
It cracked the block. Because it had solid engine mounts. The solid mounts, they had it mounted solid mounts, and it broke it.
What's going on with this header over here? I see you had to modify it to get it in there, squeak it in there, didn't you?
Yeah, I wasn't really exactly made to fit.
It works.
But you have to make them fit.
It looks like it fits perfect.
I had to do a little.
It looks like it fits perfect now.
A little bending. Yeah.
Tweaked it in there, yeah.
I was gonna make them fit.
Yeah. Man, there ain't much room down there, is there?
No, it's tight on that other side too.
That steering is just.
I had to notch it. It had here just a little bit here. I think on that side. This side, everything else cleared on the back. I think. Yeah. Nope. I had to
I see it.
I had to make some clearance there.
But it runs good, huh?
Oh yeah, don't hurt the flow. I mean, yeah, it runs better than the original. I know where the key is. You want
Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. What's wrong with that air conditioner?
what's wrong with it?
Yeah.
It worked. It did work when I put it out there. It's all shitty. It's sitting out. It was shitty when I took it out.
I don't know. I was just thinking, Bobby will like that.
That's why I thought. I seen him. I put some other metal already down there.
Yeah, I put some in the back of his truck too.
Well, I didn't put it in the truck. I put it by the fence.
He'll find it.
Maybe he'd be home.
He'll find it.
I figured
He's out probably hustling it.
I figured he'd see it.
Yeah. Man, that thing just purrs like a kitten, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Sounds like a brand new one.
yeah. Well, I did the 4-man rebuild on it.
It looks good, dude. It is.
Just did a re-ring and re-bear and the rod bearings and rings and did a cheap what was it? $100 rebuild on the head. That guy charged me down here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Just put a few guides in it. I think he changed a couple guides. Put some seals.
It don't smoke, nothing.
Sharpened the valves and did a valve, doing a valve job on it.
I bet you're having fun driving it over here, wasn't you?
Yeah, it's fun.
Haven't
It
it?
actually gets me exhilarating.
It gets you exhilarated, huh?
Yeah, you have to kind of feel like when you drive it. So
Yeah, I know. I remember. I remember the days.
It's kind of like a motor.